How to fix unable to switch to professional account from personal account on Instagram. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can fix the issue where you are unable to switch your account type on Instagram. First off, head over to Instagram. So if you're trying to switch over to professional or a personal account and you're unable to do so, that might be because Instagram server are facing a lot of traffic and it might be a widespread issue. So you might want to check on Reddit or other platforms to see if other people are facing the same issue. So if you head over to Creator Tools and Controls and try to switch account type, let's say if I switch to personal account, even if you see the confirmation to switch over to personal account, when you go back to your profile, you still have your professional dashboard suggesting that your professional account is still turned on. Mine went away because am able to successfully switch it over to personal account, but it might be a widespread issue. So here are some of the possible solutions you can do. First thing is, if you head over to Instagram's app info, you can try to allow all of the permissions first, and then go to clear cache. From here, what you can do next is see if the app is up to date. Go to Play Store and search for Instagram and update it to its latest version. If none of this works, then you are going to have to report it directly to Instagram. You can do that by going over to your profile and then settings. Scroll down until you find help section and then report a problem. Now continue without shaking. And if you want, you could also add diagnostics. So tap on include and simply explain them that you're not able to switch between your account types and then tap on send. And if they have any solution for you, they'll contact you on your email and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.